Good morning, student. Today we are moving towards the question number 5th of 12.2. Up to question number 4th already done. So see, the question number 5th is: in a circle of radius 21 centimeter and an arc subtend an angle theta of 60 degree at the center. Theta is given 60 degree. Find the length of arc, area of the sector formed by the arc, and the area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. So see, the what we have to find out here. You have to find out here the, suppose the angle is given 60 degree, then radius is given 21 centimeter. You have to find out here the area of this arc. Suppose this is a OAB and this one is P. APB, area of this sector OAPBA, okay, and the area of this segment formed by this chord, okay, means this minor segment. These three area we have to find out. Firstly, find out the area of arc, area of an arc, APB. So already we know the formula for this, theta by 360. So theta is given 60 degree and the radius is given 21 centimeter, okay, into 2 pi r. So now 60 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 21, okay. After calculation we will get here the 22 centimeter, okay. Try to find out the calculation directly, you can calculate it. 3 yes, 2 3s are 6, 3 3 get cancelled, 22 centimeter, okay. So now the second, what we have to find out, the area of this sector. Area of sector is theta by 360. Area, formula for the area of sector is pi r square. Area of the arc is a 2 pi r and the area of sector is a length of the arc. Sorry, here we find out the length of the arc. Okay, length of an arc. Then now 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. So after calculation we will get the area of this an arc is a 231 centimeter, okay. Calculate it and find out the area of this. So we'll get the 231 centimeter square, area of the sector. This is the length. Then third one, area of this segment we have to find out. So we have to calculate here. So we have to subtract from this sector, subtract this area of this triangle. Already we know the area of sector, but how to find out the area of triangle? Area, type of the area is triangle is not given. So firstly take the triangle 60, 21, 21 centimeter. These two sides means radius is given in this, okay. So by this information we have to find out the area of this triangle. So see, these two sides are equal, angle opposite to equal sides are equal, means these two are the x, okay. Angle opposite to side is x and this angle is x also. So by the angle sum property, 60 plus 60 plus 60 in this triangle, in triangle AOB is equal to 180. Angle plus angle plus angle. So 60 plus 2x. So 180. Shift this 60 that side. Minus 60, that means 2x is a 120. So x is a 60. 120 divided by 2. That means here we got the value of x is 60. Means this is also 60. This one is also 60. Means this we got here. This is the equilateral triangle. And the area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 by, directly we are taking here the area of equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 by 4 into side square, okay. So side we know the 21. So take this area of triangle OAB is under root 3 by 4 into, if the value of under root is the given in the question, then substitute, okay. So under root 3 by 4 into side is a 21 into 21. So now we will get the area of this triangle. So area of triangle is 4, after calculation, calculate it, 441 into under root 3 by 4, okay. So area of segment, here area of this segment means area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector we got here and the area of triangle here. So subtract area of, for the area of segment formed by the arc. Okay, so area is area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Okay, area of sector is a 231 and area of triangle is a 441 under root 3 by 4. If the value of the under root 3 given in the question, not given in this question, so no need to use here. Okay, this is our final answer. So see the next question. See the next one is question number 6. Question number 6 is same as this question. Here is also 60 degree angle given. Only you have to substitute the value of root 3. Okay, so this question number 6 is for the homework. Question number 7 is deleted from the syllabus. Angle of 120 degrees questions are deleted from the syllabus. So now we are moving towards the question number 8. A horse is tied to the peg at the corner of the square shaped grass. Side of the square are given. Side of the square are the 15 centimeter. Okay, by means of a 5-meter long rope, find the area of the part field in which the horse can graze. The increasing again find out the increasing area in the grazing increasing in a grazing area if the rope were the 10-meter long instead of the 5-meter. Okay, see, one horse is given in a square shape field here, tied with the 5-meter long rope, grazing area. Okay, horse is here. Then now firstly we have to find out the area of this sector. But what is the angle? Here the square is given, means each and every angle is of 90 degree. Okay, so we can use directly area of quadrant formula here. So and the sides are given. Sides are given of the square. Yes, sides are the 15 meter. All sides are equal here. Okay, 15 meter and the 15 meter. So firstly find out the area of this sector. Suppose this is the A, B and the O, and the suppose P. Area of this sector having the radius 5 meter. So area of sector, angle is also got 90 degree. Okay, so area of sector is a theta by 360 into pi r square, that is 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square means 5 into 5. So try to calculate it and find out, directly find out, you can find out the area by this simple method. Okay, so we'll get the area here, the 19.625 meter square, because in the form of meter given. So now the length of rope is increased here, means radius is increases 10 to 5 meter. So here see, radius is increases 10 to 5 meter. We have to find out here the area of this increasing part. Okay, in the grazing area. So how to find out? Already I told about the area of ring, how to find out the, so by that method find out here the area of sector, bigger sector minus area of the smaller sector. So you will get the area of the shaded portion, means grazing area, if the radius is increases. Okay, from 5 to 10. So we have to find out here the shaded portion. So firstly find out the area of this sector, bigger sector having the radius 10 meter, having the radius 10 meter. So same, theta by 360 into pi r square, only radius is different, 90 by 360 into 22 by 7, only radius is 10 into 10. Okay, so firstly find out the area of smaller sector, then find out the area of the bigger sector. So we will get the area here, the 78.5 meter square, and then subtract the bigger from the smaller from the bigger. Okay, so we'll get the area of this shaded region or increasing area. So required area, directly we can take the required area or increasing area. Required, yes, increasing area also you can take. Increase in the grazing part, grazing area. Increase in the grazing area means, suppose this is our A1 and this is our A2. In the A1 having the radius 5 centimeter, in the A2 radius is a 10 centimeter. So grazing area means A2 minus A1. So A2 is a 78.5 and A1 is a, yes, 19.625. So we'll get the final answer, that is a 558.875 centimeter square meter in the form of given. So you can convert into the centimeter, because the, yes, convert into the meter or the centimeter is given. Okay, so now see, now we got the area of this shaded portion. So how to find out area of this? Firstly find out area of this sector, then this sector, then subtract from the bigger smaller sector from the bigger sector. Okay, so we'll get the area of, like the area of the ring, same as it is. Already find out the area of the shaded portion, this blue, black, like this. Okay, thank you students.